This is a video review of the Phu Quoc Island in Vietnam and what you can do when it's raining or when you don't want to bring time at the beaches that are really dirty or expensive. I'm gonna show you a little bit. Bring the popcorn and keep watching. I haven't been on all the beaches on Phu Quoc, but I have been to a lot of them, and it's always almost the same. Either you pay the resort that owns the beach quite much money to spend time on their clean beach but still dirty water, or you go to the free beaches that can look like beautiful as this, and then you turn around and it looks like this. It's wonderful. No one cares. So eat your salad or do something else like this. Get to the southern part of the island. There you will find this Roman Empire inspired place, and here you have a cable car. I think it's one of the world's longest cable cars. It's around 8 kilometers long. It's around 5 miles, I think. It's 30 meters high. That's around 100 feet, and the speed of this cable car is 30 kilometers an hour, around 19 miles an hour, and it goes out to the island of Hon Thom, and out there you will see what we have. It's crazy, and it was open in late 2018, so it's pretty new. And as you can see, the ride out there is pretty awesome. You go over 2 more islands, Hon Dua and Hon Roi, and you can see all these fishing villages and pearl farmings, and yeah, the ride itself is really nice. I enjoyed it a lot. The ride cost around 12 bucks, I think, 11, 12 euros, dollars, something around there. I can't remember exactly. So here you see the final destination, Sun World Nature Theme Park. There was only one problem. It was still under construction. It was a lot of empty buildings and construction sites. Not that much more to do, but I think it got potential to be good when it's finished. No question about that. We took this little bus down to a beach. They have some water sports and a restaurant down there, but this was kind of a family beach, so we left after around 10 minutes and headed back to Phu Quoc. So we jumped on the cable car and headed back towards the big island of Phu Quoc, and this time we were alone in the cable car, so that was pretty nice. The southern part of Phu Quoc Island is called An Thoi. Here you have all the fancy resorts, and you also have this town called An Thoi Town. Pretty easy. I stayed here for a couple of days in that big white house called Phang Hang Hotel, but there's not that much to do in this town as a tourist. It's a fishing village. As you can see, there's a lot of boats, and there's a harbor here. No beaches at all if you don't go a little bit outside town. I stayed here over Christmas, and it was absolutely nothing wrong with it, but as I said, it's not that much to do as a tourist, and I will upload a review of the hotel pretty soon. Here is a guy on his way to work, the waterway, the easy way. And you can also stay at a place that has a really good pool area, like this, Dandy Bungalow.
I will leave a link in the description to my review of this place. Really good. One day the weather wasn't that good, so we decided to go to the Antoi prison, Titnatu or something like that, even called the Coconut Prison and concentration camp. It was built by French and expanded by the Americans during the Vietnam War. A lot of people have been tortured and killed here in the most brutal ways there probably is. I like this, I think you can call it a museum, very much, because first, it was free entrance, you just walk in, and I don't think they have built it up that much. Everything is like it was before. They made these pretty funny, really bad dolls, but that's it. I even think this blood is real. You can really feel the bad atmosphere over here. There have been many escape attempts during the years, and here's one of them that has succeeded. They built this long tunnel around 30 meters, 35 meters, 150 feet, something like that. And they dig themselves out with what they've got, their hands, spoons, so on. So it probably took a pretty long time. And over here we have the building that the tunnel is ending, and here we have the building where it began, so it's pretty far. But overall, I like this place, so you should visit it when you're here. Definitely worth it. Or you can do as a lot of other Swedes, just hang out at the Long Beach and partying all your vacation. Well, that's it for this time. Bye!